Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with one ASIN and just enough data to test. Create a sponsored products automatic campaign to capture search behavior. This pulls search terms you may miss. Set a controlled daily budget and conservative bids so you learn without overspending. Once you see converting terms, pause irrelevant placements and record ACOs and click-through rate. This first actionable test reveals customer intent and provides the keywords to use for precise manual campaigns. Once you have search term data, export the report and pick the highest converting queries. Those become your manual campaigns. Create separate ad groups, exact for top converters, phrase for related searches, broad for discovery. Raise bids on exact matches to win, lower bids on broad to control wasted spend. Make sure to use negative keywords to filter poorly performing terms. Over time, shift budget into the combinations that lower ACO. You finish by scaling winners and tightening losers. Increase budgets gradually and monitor ACOs and ROAS daily. If performance holds, continue scaling. Use placement adjustments, top of search versus product pages, to prioritize high-value spots. Once done, optimize ad creative, plus content, and pricing to convert clicks into sales. If ACOs suddenly spikes, pause low-converting keywords, check negative keyword lists, and reevaluate product price or listing quality as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.